Hello guys, welcome back to Singanyas. Today I'll be showing you a few beautiful new arrival designer sarees ranging from 10,000 to 40,000. So let's get started. So the first saree is this tissue organza saree. As you can see in the body, we have cut bead work, pearl work, this very beautiful flower design as well in all over the body of the saree in zigzag lines. And coming to the border of the saree, it's a very grand, beautiful border. We have zardozi work, we have cut bead work, we have sequence work, and also very beautiful tassels as well. And this saree has running pallu, as you can see. And coming to the blouse of the saree, we've got beautiful embroidered blouse for the back, for the front, and also for the hands. So the next saree is this tissue powder blue color saree. As you can see, it's a very unique saree. We've got this horizontal lines design all over the saree in pearl work, bead work, flower work, in different kinds of designs and sequence work as well. Coming to the border of the saree, we've got a scallop design border, and we've got this very beautiful floral design in cut bead pearls, very pretty ones. And as you can see, it's got a running pallu, but the pallu is very beautiful and very grand. Very beautiful flower designs all over the pallu. And coming to the blouse of the saree, we've got a very rich blouse with complete work all over the blouse and for hands as well. So the next saree is this cream color saree, and as you can see in the body of the saree, we've got floral applique work in the whole body of the saree. Coming to the border of the saree, as you can see, it's got flower designs all over, and it's got a running pallu, and the blouse of the saree is plain blouse with sleeves design. So the next saree is this pretty pink color saree, and as you can see, it's got very beautiful, very colorful meenakari work all over the saree in floral jal design. And here you can see this pretty peacock design with pearl work and cut bead work. It kind of gives like a highlight to the saree. And coming to the border of the saree, it's scallop border with flowers. It's a scallop border with temple design and cut bead work, pearl work all over the border of the saree. And coming to the pallu of the saree, it's got a pythony kind of pallu with floral creeper design and peacocks, parrots, again some embroidery work done on that. And it's got a complete golden zari. I mean, it's also got this beautiful, and it's also got this munya border. And the blouse is zari woven with peacock motifs, and it's also got a very nice scallop detailing at the sleeve. So the next saree is this grey color tissue organza saree, and as you can see in the whole body of the saree, we've got thread work, and in the middle this beautiful thread work and sequence work in floral design. And coming to the border, we've got a scallop design border with floral design in pink and purple color with cut bead work, pearl work, and sequence work as well. And we've got a running pallu. Coming to the blouse, we've got same plain blouse with embroidery all over the blouse at the back, at the front, and also for the sleeves. So the next saree is this yellow color organza saree, and as you can see, it's got beautiful floral creeper design work all over the saree in thread work, pearl work, bead work, and cut bead work as well. And coming to the border of the saree, we've got the scallop border with same floral creeper design with complete embroidery all over the scallop, and this is a running pallu saree. Coming to the blouse of the saree, we've got a very heavy blouse with complete embroidery done all over the back and front, and also for the sleeves. So next is this blue color organza saree, and as you can see, we've got small motifs in thread work and pearl work and spaced out all over the saree. And coming to the border of the saree, we've got this beautiful scallop design in pearl work, thread work, in multicolors. So this saree is perfect for any small events, and this has got a running pallu. Coming to the blouse of the saree, we've got this plain blouse with design for the hands. So the next saree is this purple organza tissue saree. As you can see, it's a perfect saree for a beautiful party wear. And coming to the body of the saree, you can see that it has flower motifs and leaf motifs in thread work, sequence work, and pearl work. Coming to the border of the saree, it's got a very small, pretty border with sequence work and thread work and a scallop design. And this has got a running pallu as well. Coming to the blouse of the saree, we've got this beautiful design for the neck and for the sleeves. So the next saree is for black lovers, and as you can see, it's got a very grand design in thread work and sequence work and cut bead work as well. It's a very beautiful saree and a very grand saree, and it's perfect for any night events. And coming to the border of the saree, as you can see, it's got a very colorful border with floral pattern and leaf pattern with small little stones and cut bead work. And this has got a running pallu with scallop design. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's got plain blouse with same border as the saree. So if you want a pastel color saree for any event, I think this is a perfect saree. As you can see, it's got a very beautiful pink color sequence work and cut bead work and pearl work here, and because of the cut bead work, it kind of gives like a shine. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a very beautiful saree. And coming to the border of the saree, it's got a scallop design with pearl work and cut bead work. It's a very subtle and beautiful saree, and it's got a running pallu as well. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's got a net blouse with same design for the back part of the blouse, and also very beautiful design for the sleeves. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked all the sarees which I've shown you. But if you want to see more collections like this, you can check out our YouTube channel. And for new collections, you can visit our website singanyas.in and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you.